Zach's Garage channel back here. I'm fixing to do an oil change on this Troy-Bilt 4-cycle. I got my pan that came out of a some type of vehicle. I got my motor oil. This ain't Supertech, it's Valvoline. In the description below, I'll post what type of weight oil it is, because I don't know what it is, because I just put it in there. Quarts in a we had the oil change in one of our vehicles. It was a 5-quart jug, and they left like 1 quart in there, and I just took a little bit of it and put it in this. So it's pretty much a mixture of Supertech and Valvoline, but more so Valvoline than to Supertech. I'm fixing to do an oil change on it. I gotta undo this plug right here. I don't know if any's going to spill out right now. Nope. Got lucky. Okay. I'm fixing to pour it out into the container. You can see it's hot. Let me sit down the camera real quick. Drainer in right now. Right down in there. See the hole a little bit. Donny Boy 73 did an oil change on a Ryobi. It had a weirder style plug on it. I'm going to do a 2-step oil change. I'm going to put the oil in it, run it, then drain it again, then put some more in it, and done for it. Because I got this thing about 2 months ago, and the guy that used it for me used it a lot. I used it yesterday and today, so had to get it warm today. So let's set the camera down again. See what it looks like. I don't think I could see anything down in there. I can't turn my light on without stopping the camera. So while we're here, let me go get my tools and I'll pull that plug out and see what it looks like. So I'll be right back with the tools. Again, got all the tools I need. I got a ratchet with a 5/8 socket, a pair of pliers to pull the boot. I got my battery cleaner gauge because I don't have a filing brush, those wire brushes I mean, and the gapping tool. So we're ready to pull the plug out. First step, pull the boot off. Hope I got the right size here. Yeah. Next, pull the plug out. This is loose in there, so yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's clean it off. Oh, I forgot that may be a little bit too hot. The tool, little brush. I'm going to set the camera down. Hopefully that's as clean as I can get it for now. I'm about to close the gap and re-gap it. Hold up, let me pull it out. See how hot it is first. Yeah, it's still hot. So, there's a level here I can tap it onto. I'm gonna put it back in the tool. Spark plug socket. I think this one's the same way as a lawnmower, 0.30 thousandths of an inch. So let's redo it. I may do it to 0.20. Do it 0.30. See, it's been re-gapped. I don't know what the gapping is on this weed eater because I've never looked at it. So, I'm just fixing to put it back in. Without trying to damage the thread and everything on it. It'd be helpful if that boot got out of the way. But and I'm running the wrong type of fuel in it, but you know, I don't feel like going to the store and buying true fuel for it. 4-cycle true fuel. I'm running true fuel 2-stroke in it, 40-1. So it don't smoke. Oh, wrong way. Need to turn it to the right. So. And it's snug. Cover my tool I used. Okay, gather up all my tools right quick. They recommend to fill it to the bottom of that hole right there, so I'm just going to put some more in it. Oh, God, just pressed it. Well, let me get this open right quick. Here we go. It's open. Let's try to put oil in it. I don't know if I can see it yet. It says right there. Ooh, that's hot. Try to stick a screwdriver in there. Put a little bit more in it, so. Okay, we're full now. Plug in. Give it a couple primes. Oh, it'd help if I put the plug wire back on. Okay, I gotta hold the throttle open. Just about got it. Let's move the camera real quick. Put about 2. Well, she just died, so. Wanting to die for some reason right now. But give it a little bit more idle. Probably about 3 times. No, it's probably 6 times. Put her on the edge of 1. Put her on 2 now. Okay, she's not wanting to run around. Now she has fuel, so. Only got it going again. This is how I gotta put it, because the on and off switch don't work. I'm gonna stop this video right now because this is probably gonna be like a 2 or 3 part video. So I'm only allowed like 15 minutes on YouTube. So till then.